This is Abdul, and today we are going to look at how you can launch Xcode 15.3 version on macOS 15.3. So here we have 15.3.1, which is latest version, and here we have Xcode 15.3 or 15 version, 15 series. So first, if you need to install it, you can go to Xcode releases, and from here Xcode releases you can install Xcode 15 version. In my case, I have installed 15.3. After installing it, you are going to extract, and after extracting, the icon will appear like this. And if you're going to launch it, it will ask you to update to the latest version. But there's a tip that you can use to launch it within this macOS version, and it is the command that you can use. So you need to look at where this Xcode is located. In my case, it's desktop. So I have added user admin desktop and then Xcode.app, and then further on. I'm going to say enter and I'm going to press enter. So here you can see that I have successfully launched Xcode 15.3 and on macOS version 15.3.1. So you can also use this command. I'll add in the description. You can use this command to launch Xcode 15 series on macOS latest version. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.